Hello everyone, welcome to I Must Gate Academy. I hope you guys are doing well. First of all the very best to all GATE 2023 aspirant. As we know very well, only one day is left for your GATE exam. So now this is the time where you have to focus on positivity only. ओके बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग होंगे आपके आसपास जो आपको नेगेटिविटी देंगे कि पेपर टफ आने वाला है, कि पेपर में ये क्वेश्चन टफ वाले क्वेश्चन आने वाले हैं, मैंने तो बना लिए, तुम भी ट्राई कर लो. डोंट डू लाइक दिस. ओके, in the last moment you have to, if you want to revise, then you have to revise only and only the short notes whatever you made in the complete year, because whatever the efforts you did in the whole year for the GATE exam, this is the right time to revise all the things. And on the day of the exam you have to use, you have to execute all the knowledge whatever you learned. ओके, सो अब तभी अच्छा परफॉर्म कर पाएंगे when you are positive with your attitude. Okay, you have to be very careful while reading the question. Whenever you will attempt the question, just read the question very carefully, then approach it. If I talk about the engineering mathematics and general aptitude, dear student, the major and the very important thing is basics only, because each and everything related in maths and aptitude is only and only to the basic. If your basic is clear, then only you can solve the question. So that's why if I talk about the linear algebra, we know the basic is determinate. We can see directly or indirectly question from the determinate. We can see the questions from eigenvalue, eigenvector. So everything is very, very easy for you if your basic is strong. Okay, if I talk about the probability, then in probability, dear student, the one important keynote or key point for me, according to me, you have to read the question very carefully. If you can read the question carefully, then only you can approach it. Otherwise question बनेगा ही नहीं आपसे. So just try to read the question very, very carefully. Now, if we talk about the general aptitude, in same way, in general aptitude you should not do the calculation errors, because in suppose in number system series type of question you did some silly mistakes in calculation, then you will feel regret after the exam. So don't do these type of mistakes. Just use your time very effectively in each and every question. Don't waste your time so much on reading any question. ऐसा नहीं हो कि हम क्वेश्चन को नहीं, मुझे तो करना ही है, मुझे तो ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व ही करना है, ऐसा भी नहीं करना. इफ यू थिंक कि आपसे हो रहा है, then do it, otherwise just leave the question. Okay, so only and only last moment strategy is this: you have to keep calm yourself. Okay, don't be panic. Negativity होगी आपके आसपास, उसको बिल्कुल दूर रख लीजिए. If you want to feel positivity, तो go on the terrace and वहां पे टेरेस पे जाके in the open air, feel the air, feel the environment, और वहां पे आप अपने की पॉइंट्स और की नोट्स को रिवाइज कर सकते हैं. Other than this, you have to take the healthy food only. Don't take at least on today, okay, the junk food, because if you will eat the junk food और अगर आपकी तबीयत खराब हो गई, then definitely you will not able to perform well on your examination. And next, and which is very, very important thing to all GATE aspirant, beta, you should take 7 or 8 hours sleep in the night. Because अगर रात में नींद पूरी नहीं होगी, then you will not feel energetic. So you have to take at least 7 or 8 hour sleep in the night. So on the day of the examination, you will feel energetic, you will feel relaxed, and your body and mind will be relaxed to do the questions. Okay, और ऐसा भी नहीं होना चाहिए कि बहुत ज्यादा रिलैक्स हो गए, 12 घंटे की नींद निकाली रात में, and on the day of the exam still you will feel sleepy. So take 7 or 8 hours sleep, balanced, have a balanced diet, so that your body will automatically work positively. Okay guys, so don't be panic. as सिंपल सी बात है, सिंपल सा फंडा है, जो पढ़ना था पढ़ लिया. नाउ अब आप चाहे पढ़े चाहे नहीं पढ़े, वही होने वाला है जो एग्जाम में आएगा. सो नाउ डोंट बी इन पैनिक. ओके, जो पढ़ा है उसको बेस्ट यूज कर लो, उसको बेस्ट रिवाइज कर लो. और इफ यू थिंक कि आई हैड इनफ रिविजन, तो देन जस्ट क्लोज योर बुक्स. आप अच्छे से कोई मोटिवेशनल वाला वीडियो देख सकते हैं, एक अच्छी सी वॉक ले सकते हैं, बहुत ज्यादा एक्सरसाइज भी नहीं करना है, अच्छी सी वॉक ले सकते हैं इन द ओपन एयर, सो दैट यू विल फील एनर्जेटिक. ओके, अपने पेरेंट्स से बात कर सकते हैं, बट कोई नेगेटिविटी से दूर रहें इन द लास्ट मोमेंट. ओके गाइज, आई एम श्योर यू गाइज विल डू वेरी वेल, क्योंकि आपने जो भी पढ़ा है, दिस इज द टाइम जब आप 100% अपना देंगे. ओके, एंड या डियर स्टूडेंट, we all IMS GATE Academy team is here for you. So after the exam also we will here for you. Don't miss our YouTube channel also. And yeah, at last I would like to say कि तूफानों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. सो जस्ट डोंट गिव अप, जस्ट फोकस ऑन योर गोल, stay positive, keep calm. All the very best to all my dear students. Thank you guys.